Welcome to today's video. My name is Mike Wood and I am your model tree supplier. From modeltreestore.com, I'm going to show you today how we can take this and turn it into this. So stick around and let's see how we make it happen. We're going to use sagebrush as our primary armature, of course. Different sizes available at modeltreestore.com. And then a variety of different things to top those trees or fill them out. So I've got some flower top materials here from ground cover, sedum or dragon's blood ground cover. So I gathered some of that, and here's what that looks like in nature. These are the red tops of the flower that are all dried up after they flowered the first year. So this is what they look like afterward. Then I found this little tree. It's called a smoke tree. It's the common name for it. Up the street, and thought, well, maybe I'll try that. Those look pretty good, and I can pull little pieces of that off and use that to top the trees. Glue some of that on, and so we're going to try that one. And then one that I've found that works really well is from this flower, and this is just the tops of the dead part of a plant that flowers every year. And I gathered a bunch of this last year, so this is something you'll see in landscaping around town sometimes. So those are all the options, so let's get creating. Now I also have these different colors of Superleaf material from Scenic Express. So all of those are things that we will use, and then I am going to use a glue gun, hot glue, as you'll see, to glue things together here. You can take the armature and clip off anything that you don't want. So if we want that to be limited to 2 inches, and it's already at 2 inches with the branching, and we want to add foliage to it, then we might clip some of those off with some pliers. I'm going to go ahead and take the newest stuff that I haven't actually tried yet, this material, and I'm going to start adding that to the tree. So I will just take a dab of glue right there, and I'll come and put that right on the tree there. And I'm going to glue some of these right to the center trunk there. And I might want to, that's where that string's coming from. I might want to press that. So now we need to take it to the box and spray it. We'll start with some dark green here. Very quickly you can see that tree become a tree as the Superleaf material adheres to all those little branches. Now, if you want some variety to it, you can add some different colors. If you want to get rid of some of those branches there that aren't grabbing the leaves, we can pull those off. So a lot of that did not stick, and yet we still have a pretty full tree that I'm fairly happy with. Let's see what the others look like. This is a small tree, so we may not need a whole lot of this stuff. Now we've got our tree pretty full. Let's take it over to the box and spray it. And there we are with that tree finished. Okay, so we got to decide what we want this tree to look like. And I think we'll cut some of that off. We'll leave that one in there. So the purpose of this is to catch more of the green and put that Superleaf there on there. All these little pieces are big bulk of flag tree. That looks pretty good. I'm going to take it to the box. And I'm going to use the hairspray this time. Alright, and there is our finished tree. So here are the final trees. This one had the smoke tree branching and hairspray. And we moved on to the sedum material. The spray glue, and then this little one is the other flower material. Definitely more full. I can see quite a different look between each tree and how they fill out, but all of them look like trees. Don't forget to click subscribe and give me a thumbs up on the video here.